Okay, students. So we have to start today chapter number 3. The name is more about Windows 7. The more about Windows 7. Okay. Uh, begin. So they are saying Windows is the most popularly used operating system because it is very user friendly. Now we have learned in class 3 about operating system in very detail. There was a complete lesson. Okay, the complete lesson about the operating system. So what is an operating system? Operating system is a program, okay, that deals with the software and hardware of our computer system. If we don't have any operating system in our computer, okay, our computer software or hardwares will not work. Okay, this is an important thing of the operating system, of the computer system, operating system. Nowadays we are using operating system that is called Windows. Okay, Windows that we have all installed in our computer and laptops. So Windows is the most popularly used operating system because it is very user friendly. So nowadays that the operating system we are used is called Windows, and it is very user friendly. User friendly means it is very easy to use. Unit number 3, chapter number 3, page number 17. You can perform many operations on Windows. Okay, this is Windows. Okay, not window, only one window. Hadia, why you cannot hear? Better try to check your phone or anything. Okay. Um, I think my voice is clear. I'm speaking loudly. Try, try it. Okay. You can perform many operations on Windows, such as saving, opening, or deleting files. Okay, you can save any kind of files, any kind of program here. Abhiha, why you cannot hear, beta? Try to check your speakers. Okay. You can perform many operations on Windows, such as saving, opening, or deleting files with the help of a mouse. Okay, and the thing that is I'm using now, this is also called the mouse. Okay. In this chapter, you will learn more about Windows 7. Okay, Windows 7. Azan test unit number 2. Desktop. First of all, they are saying when you switch on your computer and start Windows, when you switch on your computer and start Windows, the first screen that you see after the Windows software has loaded is called the desktop. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the screen. I hope all you can see. This is the screen. I will show you again. This screen. Okay, this screen is called the desktop. When we open our computer, please tell me if you are all seeing my desktop. I'm not sure it is open to you or not. This is called the desktop. I hope you all can see my desktop. Okay. Okay, the desktop. So when we open our computer, the first screen, this is the first screen when we see, and this is called the desktop. The desktop contains small pictures. Okay, you can see there are so many small pictures that all of them can have a different name. Okay, all of them have a different name. You can see the names. Okay, you can see the names. So the desktop contains small pictures that have names such as you can see computer, recycle bin. Okay, computer and recycle bin. These small pictures are called icons. Okay, what they are called icons. These all small pictures, they are called icons. So this full screen that you can see is the desktop. Okay, This full screen is called the desktop. Okay, and the Hadia beta, check your audio, please. Join with the computer audio if you are using the laptop. Join with the computer audio. Okay, click on join with computer audio. Maybe then you will be able to listen. Okay. So I was saying this is called the desktop. When we switch on our computer, this is the first screen that we see. This is the first screen that we see, and they have a small pictures on it. Every picture have its own specific name. Okay, like this is a computer or recycle bin or Firefox or anything here. But what these pictures are called, these pictures are called icons. These pictures are called icons. These small pictures are called icons. Next, page number 18. Page number 18. All of you, please open your books. Okay, page number 18. They are saying the icon represents different programs, files, and folders that can be opened by double clicking that particular icon. Okay, this icon can be a program, like this antivirus is a program, Firefox or browser, this PDF reader, these all are the programs. Okay, then a folder, this yellow thing is called the folder. Okay, like you all have the folders where you keep your worksheets and tests and important documents. Okay, so the computer also have folders, and computer folder is always of yellow color. Computer folder is always of yellow color. Okay, this is a folder, and this thing is called the file. Okay, one thing, it can be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, or anything. Okay, that is just one single file. Okay, one single sheet you can say. Okay, this is called the file. So a icon represents different programs, files, and folders, and that can be opened by double clicking that particular icon. If you want to open anything, let's suppose I want to open this, you can open this by double clicking. 1 2. Okay, double click and it will open like this. Okay, it will be open like this. So you can open any icon. You can open any icon. Next is the computer icon. What is a computer icon here? Okay, the first computer icon you can see on my screen. Whatever is stored on your computer is accessible from the icon called computer. Anything, anything that you save in your computer is automatically saved. That you save, okay, it's you can see it, or you can access it, or you can open it, you can change it, you can delete it by using the computer icon. How we will open the computer icon? I told you, we can open any icon by double clicking it. Double clicking it, and the icon is open now. Okay, the icon is open now. Yes, files is also an icon, and any icon can be opened by double clicking it. So whatever is stored on your computer is accessible from the icon called computer. When you double click this icon, you will get the computer window. Now the window is open on our screen, on my screen. This is called the computer window. This is called the computer window. Within the computer window, different icons can be seen. Again, you can see the different icons. Okay, like there is local disk C, D, E, or devices, DVD writer, DVD RW. I told you is and removable disk. Okay, so what are these icons? We will study about. Hadia, beta, please check your headphone, microphone, or join with audio, or you can leave the meeting and again join it. Maybe then it will be clear for you. Okay, try to leave the meeting and again join it with the help of ID and password. Maybe then it will be easy for you to hear. Azan, wait. Okay, let's see what some of these icons represent. The first icon is local disk C. First icon is local disk C. This icon shows that your computer has a hard disk drive. Okay, hard disk drive. Okay, hard disk is the disk, okay, where you save your data. Hard disk is the disk where you save your data. If you don't have a local disk C icon in your computer window, that means you don't have any hard disk. Okay, so they are saying hard disk drive. Okay, I have divided my hard disk in three. Okay, that is C, D, and E. But all of the computer must have local disk C. Local disk C. Look, this icon shows that your computer had the hard disk drive. Just a minute. Okay, drive C, which contains a hard disk to store and access data. Okay, in this data, in this hard disk drive, we can store data and access the data. Like I open, you can see this is the data. There are so many folders. There are so many folders. The next is DVD. Okay, what is a DVD? Okay, let me back show you. This is the DVD. DVD RW drive F. You can see same on the book and same on my computer. Okay, same on the book and same on the computer. This icon shows that your computer has a DVD ROM drive installed. Okay, if you don't have a DVD icon here, it means you cannot play any DVD or CD in your computer. If you don't have this DVD RW drive in your computer or your laptop, you cannot play any CD or DVD. This icon shows, okay, that you have this installed, and anytime you can play any kind of DVD or CD. You can insert a CD or a DVD and see its content by double clicking this icon. Okay, first we have to insert any CD. Right now I didn't insert any disc, but when you insert, you can play it and it will start. So it is showing me insert a disk. Okay, insert a disk. But when you have inserted the disk, it will start playing. Okay, it will start playing. When you double click the local disk C icon, when you double click the local disk C icon, a windows appear, okay, which display a list of files and folders. Okay, you can see I told you all the yellow color things are folders. Okay, all the yellow things are folders which display a list of file and folder on the hard disk. Okay, next, page number 19, please. Oh, sorry, yes, page number 19. Page number 19. All the work that we do on a computer. Okay, yes, Ariba, good. All the work that we do on a computer is stored in the form of files. Okay, all the work that we do on a computer is saved in the form of files. Computer does not make the folder by itself. Folder always we make it. Okay, computers save the work in the form of files. Okay, like there is anything, this is a file here anywhere. Let me show you another thing. Local disks, this is the file you can see. Okay, this is the file you can see when we save any work. This is a file, this is a file, these all things are file. Folder, I made it or you will make it. Okay, computer does not make the folder by itself. So a file, what is a file? A file is a collection of data or information. A file is a collection of data or information. Each file has a name. Okay, we give the name to any file and can have anything. Okay, there can be anything in the file, including drawing, text, picture, and etc. This file have text. Okay, text means written thing. Okay, but you can your file can be it can be like a picture, like you saved any drawing. Okay, or any picture, any drawing, etc. in it. What is a folder? A folder is a location of organizing and storing file. A folder is a location for organizing and storing file. It is used to place similar files together. So folder is computer. Folder in computer is the same thing that you use in normal things. If you are having so many worksheets directly in your bag, it will get messy and you may lost any file. And when you have to find any file, like teacher asks you to find that worksheet, and it will be difficult for you to check your bag and find the file. But you if you find that file, okay, but if you are having it in the folder, then it will be easy for you. Like if your science teacher asks you take out your science worksheet, you will take out your science folder, you will open it, and you will take out your worksheet. Okay, so what is the purpose of the folder? To manage the things, organize. Okay, to organize the things. A folder is a location for organizing and storing files. It is used to place similar files together. Okay, it is used to place similar files together. Okay, next is the wallpaper and screensaver. Okay, there are two things: wallpaper wallpaper and screensaver. In today's lesson, we will just learn only how to change the wallpaper, and screensaver we will do inshallah in the next lesson. So first of all, what we will learn about the background image that you see in the on the desktop is called a wallpaper. If you see my desktop, there is nothing on the my desktop. This is completely black. Okay, so that means I don't have any wallpaper right now. We will uh, set the wallpaper of my computer. The background image that you see on the desktop is called a wallpaper. The image that you see when your computer is idle for a specified time is called a screensaver. Like now we are working on a computer, okay? So it is not idle. But when we are not working on the computer, okay? Like we started anything and then we leave the computer switch on and we start to do anything, okay? So the computer is idle, computer is not doing anything, so there will it will display an image, okay, that is called the screensaver. Screensaver inshallah I will show you in the next lesson, but in today's lesson we will learn about the wallpaper. You can just setting of your wallpaper and screensaver as per your choice. The steps are as follows. Now look at the steps very carefully. First of all, click the start button. You all know the start button. In class 3 you have learned about it in very detail. This is the start button. Okay, click the start button. Okay, click the start button, and then there is a control panel. Control panel. Again saying, click the start button and then click on the control panel. When we will click, a window will appear. Can you see that window on my computer? Okay, the control panel windows appears. This is window is called control panel windows. This window is called control panel windows. Control panel windows. So what we have to do, the personalization gallery appears. We will find here personalization gallery. Okay, here you can see personalization gallery appears. As you can see, I hope, personalization gallery. I will again show it how I did open it. Click the start button. Okay, click the start button, then click the control panel, and then there is a personalization gallery appears. From click this gallery, okay, then you can see there are so many control panel. Okay, from this gallery you can choose and change the wallpaper and the screensaver. Okay, look there, here they are showing desktop background. They are telling me like it is now solid black color. Okay, solid color of black. Screensaver, you can see this is the sign, okay, cross sign. That means I am not having any kind of screensaver. So first we will choose the desktop background. We will click on the desktop background. Okay, and if we want solid colors, if you want pictures, photos, you can select from here. Okay, top rated photos, there are so many photos here, so whichever you want to choose, okay, you can select any one. Okay, and then we'll select any picture like this or this. Select any picture and save changes. Okay, save changes. And now we will minimize it, and you can see my desktop is changed now. So in this way, you can change your desktop. One last time, I will again do this, and then we will finish this lesson. Okay, I will again show. So click the start button. This is the way how to change the wallpaper. Click the start button, control panel. Okay, this is called control panel windows. This is called control panel windows. Okay, and then click on the personalization window. If we want to change the background, we will click on the desktop background. Okay, that is also called the wallpaper. There are so many pictures. You can select multi pictures, like more than one pictures, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will be keep changing, 1, 2. Okay, multiple pictures, and then you can change here. Okay, select any picture from here. Now I have selected this landscape. After that, save changes, and then close it. Okay, this close button, and you can see this. So I hope you will try it on your computer also in tomorrow's, not tomorrow, in the next week lesson. We will learn how to change the screensaver. Okay, and then other thing, I'm again repeating, on Sunday you have unit number 2 test complete, right? Question answers, filling the blanks, MCQs, true false, everything I have given you.